Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to talk about why my TV screen continues to flash on and off. This is a connection to my Dell laptop that I use quite frequently, and it just started doing this of late. I went through a number of troubleshooting steps to try to determine why this was happening. Finally arrived at a solution. I'll tell you about that coming up next. So if you're new to the site, I want to welcome you in here. This is a site where I talk about homeowner ideas and solutions. I've got a number of ideas, technology related and just general repair around the house. Also include things like landscaping and gardening and all those kind of things that can be helpful to any homeowner. So if that kind of thing appeals to you, you might want to subscribe to the channel. Also, I include a number of links when I talk about various items on this site. If you click on those links, it'll take you to the Amazon site where you can purchase some of these items. If you purchase those items, I get a small commission, and any purchase you make helps support the efforts for making this site. So that is appreciated. So with that out of the way, we'll go ahead and get into the content today. So as you can see behind me, I have a screen that continues to flash on and off. That's an LG TV screen, and to that screen I have attached my Dell Latitude laptop. I just set that behind my TV, and again, this is the Latitude E6410. It's an older laptop that my wife used when she was going to school, and I thought I would just go ahead and use it to hook to the TV set, so that if we wanted to do internet browsing and that sort of thing while sitting on the sofa, we could do that. Okay, so I supplement my laptop with two wireless devices that make it really nice. There's this Logitech keyboard, and I just put a USB into the Dell Latitude laptop so that I can control the keyboard. Same thing with this Logitech USB mouse, wireless. So just put both of those wireless dongles in the laptop, and that makes it real easy for you to be able to control the laptop while you're sitting on the sofa. Now, I went through a number of things to try to resolve this problem. If you Google this problem, it'll tell you that it's probably a video driver update issue. So I went to the Dell site and I did update all of my video drivers, and the problem still persisted. So my next step was to go into my video settings and make sure I had the proper refresh rates, looked those up, went through a lot of steps to try to resolve it with no success whatsoever. I did come across one article that mentioned that you may have a bad HDMI cable or DisplayPort cable. If you're not familiar with Dell laptops, when you want to hook them, at least the Dell Latitude model that I have does not have an HDMI port. So I needed to purchase a DisplayPort to HDMI cable that looks like this, and so this side goes into your laptop, and this side has a female HDMI port that you can plug your HDMI cable into, and then from that you go directly into the back of your TV. So coming out of the back of my laptop, I have a video to HDMI DisplayPort cable, and then that hooks into the HDMI cable, which then is plugged into the back of my TV. So ultimately what I did is I went on Amazon and purchased two new cables, the DisplayPort to HDMI cable and also a new HDMI cable, a 3-footer. And I put those in. First I tested the HDMI cable. The HDMI cable did not make any change in the functioning of the TV. The TV, in other words, still flashed like it's flashing before. And then I tried replacing the DisplayPort cable, and once I did that, that resolved the problem. This Insignia cable is my old video DisplayPort cable, and this is the new cable that I just purchased off of Amazon. There you see the two cables side by side. So this end as you can see, goes into the back of the Dell laptop, and the other end receives a HDMI cable. Once I applied the new video display port cable, replaced that with the new one, I've got a steady screen now, so that solved the problem. So hopefully this helps someone out there with a similar problem. A lot of times it is a driver update, a video graphics card driver, but if you've gone to the trouble to update all your drivers and still have that problem, next thing is to check those display port cables and the HDMI cable and make sure there's no issues there. I guess they go bad after a while. So if you found this information helpful, you may consider subscribing to this channel. I've got a lot more home ideas and solutions that I'm sure you're going to find beneficial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. I went through a number of troubleshooting steps.
A few moments later.
So I needed to purchase a video display, what do you call that thing? Hang on a second.